Hi. Oh my god, it's actually been 9 months since I've posted और मेरा last video भी नायका हॉल है और मेरा ये video भी नायका हॉल है. Hi everyone, I'm Sushmita and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those who have not seen my content before, I make content related to beauty and fashion. So for today's video, I want to take you guys through everything that I shopped from Tira and Nykaa because सेल चालू था ऑफ कोर्स एंड मैंने एक्चुअली मिंत्रा से भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऑर्डर की क्योंकि मिंत्रा का अभी इरोस सेल चालू है इफ़ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग एंड मिंत्रा नाउ चालू हुआ है विच इज़ लाइक क्विक कॉमर्स यू गेट डिलीवरी विद इन 30 minutes एंड आई वॉन्टेड क्वाइट अ बिट ऑफ बॉडी केयर एज वेल सो ऑफ कोर्स इट्स गोना बी एन accumulated video. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, I want to start with products that I bought from Tira Beauty. And the first thing that I got is the Fenty Beauty Lip Gloss. This is the heat version and I got it in the shade Hot Chocolate Heat. This is one of the most popular shade. This is what the product looks like and I absolutely love the shade. ऑल्सो फॉर सम रीज़न आई फील जो ये बहुत ज़्यादा टिंगल नहीं करता है आई वॉज काइंड ऑफ लाइक स्केर्ड कि आई डोंट वांट लाइक अ सुपर प्लम्पिंग इफेक्ट आई जस्ट वांटेड इट बिकॉज आई लाइक द कलर एंड आई वांटेड टू हैव like a Fenty lip gloss. You know, we are all gloss balloons. Next up, I actually restocked my Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I picked it up in the same shade, which is Cookie. I do want to address this. जो Nykaa में भी पहले होता था, even it's in Tira nowadays, that जो भी प्रोडक्ट सेल पे डालते हैं बेसिकली द एक्सपायरी डेट इज़ क्वाइट नियर फॉर दोज प्रोडक्ट्स सो अगेन दिस वाज क्वाइट अ बिट of an expensive product. I got it at sale, something around I think 2500 का ये है. I got it for 1700 or 1500, I'm not that sure. It was during sale, but this has just like 5 months due to expiry date, so how am I supposed to make use out of this within just 5 months? Because it's a full coverage product. I love it nevertheless. I'm gonna fall in love with it all over again, I'm sure, because this is a bang on product. I also got a L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. This is what it is. I've got the shade 317. Now, the worst part of this brand, of course, I'm sure everybody's nodding their heads, whoever watching, is the fact that this has 3 shades. Like, how is it possible? I kind of want to save my review because I have used this a little bit and I want to do like a comparison between Too Faced concealer because that's my favorite versus the L'Oreal one. All I can say, if I had to a little bit about this product, is Too Faced से मत compare करो. That's an amazing product. It does have a good coverage. However, the formulation and everything is a lot more different. I want to do an in-depth on, like, I want to make a reel on this. So stay tuned for that and subscribe. I don't really have a lot of lip products in this haul for some reason, so this is actually the last one. This is the Laneige lip balm and it's in the shade Vanilla. I had somewhere around 750-800 points, तो उससे मुझे ये lip balm free में मिला है. But Laneige lip balm is amazing. I have tried the lip balms before and these are also super glossy, so I really like that. This mascara from this brand, which is Essence, is super popular. They have various different colors and people love them. This is kind of like a brand which is popular, as similar as to Maybelline for and known for their mascaras basically, so I picked this one up. मस्कारास की बात की जा रही है तो आई हैव अनदर प्रोडक्ट विच इज़ द डबल ट्रबल मस्कारा फ्रॉम मार्स कॉस्मेटिक्स. आई रियली लाइक मार्स प्रोडक्ट्स एंड it's quite nice, but the fact I don't really enjoy this mascara. A lot of people love this product. They've been, मेरी थोड़ी सी आदत है कि काइंड ऑफ यूट्यूब के कमेंट सेक्शन और इंस्टाग्राम के कमेंट सेक्शन ओपन करके पढ़ना बिकॉज दैट्स वेयर यू गेट द टी. सो आई थॉट मे बी इट्स अ गुड प्रोडक्ट बट नहीं यार, मज़ा नहीं आया. I don't know, maybe I've used a lot more better mascaras. Maybelline mascara slaps every single time. This is actually the last beauty product that I have. इसके बाद everything is skincare, hair care and body care, so I wanna might as well include this. This is something I got from Myntra. This is from Glam 21 that I've been loving, this show called Rafta. तो वहाँ पे there's this character who has really wispy beautiful lashes. So I thought that maybe I would also want to try an eyebrow gel. It has like a little sticky texture but it's not gonna hold my eyebrows. I know that for sure. मैंने हर प्रोडक्ट थोड़ा थोड़ा सा यूज़ किया है because I couldn't stop myself. It was definitely a wrong purchase. एक और विचित्र चीज़ मैंने ली थी which is from Heel High, which is basically exfoliating gloves. Actually had a word with one of my friends, and she once talked about exfoliating gloves, so I thought it has been over the internet for quite some time, so maybe I should buy it as well. काफ़ी ज़्यादा harsh है. I don't know if it's supposed to be that way and all. I don't want to over exfoliate my skin also, because that's also something that damages your skin. तो मैंने फिर भी लिया है, but I don't know of how much I'm gonna make use out of it, but I've got it. मैंने लिया है. My mic died, so I had to take a little break, but we're back. I've actually been having quite a bit of skin tanning going on because of the sun exposure, and I don't really have like a body care routine, so I want to build that. For that, I've got a couple of products. So first off is the Chemistat Play Daily Exfoliating Face Wash. This is a very popular product. This is supposed to help you with detanning. It has got quite a bit of exfoliating ingredients and active ingredients as such. We had अच्छे reviews से, so that's why I thought it's gonna be a good purchase. So that's that. इसी के साथ साथ मैंने AHA बॉडी लोशन भी लिया फ्रॉम द सेम ब्रांड विच इज़ केमिस्टेट प्ले. आई जस्ट फेल्ट इट मेक्स अ लॉट मोर सेंस टू बी यूजिंग द सेम प्रोडक्ट्स, you know, like same body wash, same body lotion. Even this has got like a little bit of like the shea butter wala fragrance hai, which is quite pleasant. And this has got like 5% of AHA, which is again supposed to help you with detanning. It's a nice product, quite moisturizing, and I've been using it for 2 days now, and काफ़ी अच्छे से blend हो जाता है, non sticky है, quite nice for the day as well if you want to apply after your shower. So it's quite a nice product. I've been running out of sunscreen so much these days. I've at least been consistent in applying sunscreen on my face daily. Abhi I'm gonna try and do that for my like skin and my hand as well. So for this time I got the Wishcare Fluid Sunscreen. This is a niacinamide based one. I'm sure you have seen this over the internet quite a bit of times. बहुत ज़्यादा lightweight है. It like blends into the skin very easily, and I do love fluid sunscreens these days because I've got like a combination skin, so I love how this just blends super easily, does not leave any white cast, and it's not got any fragrance to irritate your skin as such, so it's gonna work for sensitive skin as well. Then Wishcare mein sale chalu tha, so I've also got the underarm roll-on serum. This is the one, and I've got the aqua version. I have tried quite a bit of roll-on from different brands, Nivea and all, Chemistat Play. उसमें का एक वाइट कास्ट जैसा होता है, एक थोड़ा सा there's a different like creamy kind of formulation, but this for some reason I was quite surprised with the formula that बहुत it's like pani, like water. It does not have any color. The fragrance however is also not that strong, so like with Nivea and all, I feel you can still smell the little fragrance throughout the day. This kind of gets lost, but at the same time this is the first time I've seen a product which does not have that white cast in it. I was quite taken back with the formulation. ये actually काफ़ी ज़्यादा अच्छा है, so you can check this out. The B Body Wise से मैंने वापस एक और अंडर आर्म रोल ऑन लिया. I wanted to just restock because वो ख़त्म हो गया, तो फिर I will have this one. This one is in the floral version. मैंने अब तक try नहीं किया है. This is like a newer pack. I just wanted to restock. इसी के साथ साथ from B Body Wise itself, I have also got a face razor. It's got like a pack of 3. This is what the product looks like. Again, it's also got बहुत ज़्यादा sharp नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है. It's kind of comfortable to use as well. I've just used one, and I've actually done my face just today, just to check out how I like the product, and it's actually very good. You can check out this brand. ज़्यादातर तो टिंकल kind of यूज़ करते हैं, but ये brand काफ़ी अच्छा है. You can try it out. है क्या, मैं बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं है, बस वापस restock kind of ही करना था. मैंने L'Oreal का शैम्पू लिया which is still in my bathroom. I'm not gonna go and bring it back. So वहाँ से I got the basic, the L'Oreal that red wala shampoo. I have been using it for years, and dude, there's been so many launches from L'Oreal, but I feel वो एक OG product है. And उसी के साथ I also restocked on this. This is the Streaks Heat Protectant Hair Spray. I have actually bought this multiple times, and I really like it for styling my hair. Quite nice. I love the fragrance as well, and works for protecting your hair while you style it. I like these more. Serum based थोड़ा difficult हो जाता है. I feel like spray versions हो तो it's a lot more easier to like for application as well as for the product to just disperse all over your hair. So this one is a really good one. Another hair care product is this one. This is the Pantene Miracle Rescue Biotin Strength Conditioner. Now I have actually stopped using conditioners and I like using hair mask more. L'Oreal Absolute Repair hair mask and the Matrix hair mask are my top two products that really works well for my hair. I also ran out of my hair mask, so this was like from Mintra, the 30 minutes thing, तो आ जाएगा जल्दी से, I can try it out, वो हिसाब से मैंने ख़रीदा था. It's actually nice product. I don't really like another hair care products from Pantene as much, but conditioner के हिसाब से this one is really good. It smoothens my hair, takes care of the flyaways a little bit. I really liked it. ये तो पता नहीं कितने बार ख़रीदा है मैंने. This is the Blue Heaven Dip and Twist. This is basically a nail paint remover. So easy. Just dip your nails and you get rid of everything just in like one go. So I don't even need to explain this product. It's really nice and very affordable. I literally have 3 more skincare products and we are done. This is the simple refreshing face wash. I really like it. Again, one of the no nonsense product that does not irritate your skin, just does its job. बहुत कुछ miracle नहीं कर देगा, but at least gonna take care of your skin, and that's all I want. कि it just calms my skin down. That's all that's needed. So this has been a constant. My birthday is coming up, so every year I like to do a little bit of face mask thingy at night. So for this time I've actually got something from Nykaa. This is the collagen boosting mask. It's for overnight deep hydration. मैंने ऐसे something similar I've also used from Quench. ये बेसिकली ऐसे होता है, यू कीप इट ऑन योर फेस एंड इट्स गोना टर्न ट्रांसपेरेंट. काफ़ी ज़्यादा हाइड्रेशन के लिए हेल्प करता है. आई जस्ट फेल्ट इट्स अ गुड प्रोडक्ट फॉर हाइड्रेशन. एंड लास्टली, बोरिंग प्रोडक्ट है बट हैव गॉट द खादी फेस पैक, या तो फिर मुल्तानी मिट्टी या फिर चंदन. दीज आर द ओनली 2 वर्जन्स ऑफ फेस पैक्स दैट आई लाइक टू यूज़. Even besan irritates my skin, by the way. I don't do homemade DIYs, but मैंने पहले from the Khadi itself I've purchased the multani mitti, I've purchased the sandalwood as well. Just apply like a thin layer, let it sit on your skin and wash it off. Very simple product. It's actually been a while that I jabbed onto it for a longer period of time, so I really hope you guys liked it. And I do have more long format videos coming up. I've shopped quite a bit for my birthday, so I'm very excited to share that as well. So if you like this video, please go ahead and like, share, subscribe, and let me know of the products that I've tried or you want me to try, and I'll see you next time.